In this video, we will learn how to download and install Chrome browser on Ubuntu Linux. We need to open a terminal on our Ubuntu machine. You're going to type terminal in search and click on our terminal to open. We have our terminal open. We can open a Firefox browser from here, or you can type Firefox on your terminal. You can just go and click on Firefox. On Google site, we can search for Chrome. Type in Chrome and search for it, and over here you can find Chrome download link. We need to go to Google site. It's google.com Chrome. Just click over there, and you need to be on this site, google.com, and the Chrome folder and a directory. And over here, if you scroll down a little bit, you see a download Chrome button. Click over there, and over here, if we are using Ubuntu Debian, then we can select this one and need to scroll a little bit down over here and accept the Google terms and click on accept and install. Just click on this. Now here it will give you option to open with software install. I will click check on save file. I will install manually from a terminal, so we need to save this file and click on OK. And in Firefox browser, you can click on this arrow to download. It will display the progress of file download. So started downloading it for us. We have this downloaded. We can go to show all downloads, where it will take to a folder where it is downloaded this file, and it's in our downloads folder. I will use terminal to move into this folder. Open new terminal, and over here first I will check if it's in our download folder to make sure it's not removed. Yeah, it's over here, so I need to move into downloads directory. I will use cd command to do that. Cd downloads, and just list the content again. It's over here. We need to install this package. We will use dpkg package management to install. Before we do the install, you need to make sure that you have sudo privileges. So I'm gonna use sudo dpkg for package management, and -i or -i means install, and then we need to give the name of this package. I'm just gonna copy from here, copy it, and just paste it, and this command will install Google Chrome for us. Just hit enter and it will ask for your password. Now we have Google Chrome installed on our Ubuntu system. We can try to run from command line. You can also search from here. First I'm going to try with the command line. We can type Google Chrome and just hit enter if it starts. We have our Google Chrome installed and up and running. You can also search from here. If you go to the search and type Chrome, you will be able to see from here. So when you type or search over here, you can find Google Chrome. You can run from here too. I just did from command line. and this is your Google browser. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.